All right, so price is currently stuck. Okay, price is stuck between this engulfing. So this tells you how important engulfing candle is. Okay, so price is stuck between this engulfing here. Okay, so every attempt to break this engulfing field, right? So came first time, second time, and then currently we are stuck here. Okay. All right. So these are the two levels on the daily chart. The price is stuck in between. All right. And they are all engulfing. So we have an engulfing field here and an engulfing. And price is in between those two, serving as resistance and support. So we have a resistance at the top and a support at the bottom. Okay. So on 4 hour, what do we have? On 4 hour, price is stuck. Okay. Currently we are here between this engulfing field, right? And this engulfing field. So multiple rejection at the engulfing field. And so we are currently waiting to see if price is going to break or not going to break. So we are reading this particular zone. But there were beautiful trades in between these zones. Okay, so first of all, my first trade was this. Okay, I was on a daily, right? So on the daily, there were two levels that I was looking at, right? I was looking at this SNR level because it has a miss, okay? And I was also looking at this SNR level because it also has a miss, right? So daily, when price got here, there was no rejection, okay? There was no rejection. There was no breakout, right? So price just went through it, okay? Went through it and then came to this level, right? So now price use this particular level, use this particular level. I think I got the trade. Okay, was to the day before. Okay, so this was a trade. This was a trade. This was a very beautiful one. All right, this was a trade. Okay, so the videos on my Telegram. This was a trade. Uh, me entering on this SNR level, entering on this SNR level. Okay, so I think I used 5 minutes as my entry. Got in on 5 minutes. Got in on 5 minutes. So that's my trade. That's the trade that I took. Okay, so after that, did take any other trade. Okay. Right. So after that, I think on 4 hour, I got a buy. Okay. I got this buy and this level. So I got this buy here, right? So here I'm going to explain this. So on this 4 hour engulfing, price came, touched the 4 hour engulfing and created a 30-minute engulfing, right? So price created a 30-minute engulfing. And so I took the trade from this 30-minute engulfing. So this is it, right? Took the trade on this 30-minute engulfing. Right. So to the trade on this engulfing, right somewhere here around this level. Okay. And the reason is that yes, you have a 30-minute engulfing. Price comes to the 30-minute engulfing. Okay, I want to see 5 minutes creating an engulfing and an engulfing field. So we have an engulfing here, right? We have an engulfing here. Okay, and then we have a 5 minute engulfing field here. So this pullback, all this area was my entry zone, right? Targeting this high, this level first. Okay, so this was one target. All right, so I'm doing a trade recap for today's trade. I'm doing a recap for today's trade. So today, today only. Yeah, today. Okay. Okay. Yes. And then on Monday, I also got this buy. Right. I think I got it early in the morning. I just set my limit on this. Got this. Okay, so I was paying that one too. All right. So I think on 1 hour, when I woke up, I had set limit orders around this level. I think there was transformation. This the price went through my transformation a little bit, but I was asleep. There was no stop loss. Okay. That's a bad habit. I set an entry here, okay, without stop loss. Okay, for Monday. So when I woke up, price was already here. Was already here and was coming down. So I closed some of the position. And so one interesting thing is that remember there was a 4-hour engulfing field here. Price had created a 1-hour engulfing. Price had created a 1-hour engulfing. So this was my buy zone again to add additional buy. Okay, buy zone, buy zone. Okay, so the buy zone is this. There's a QM. So we have a low, a high, a lower low, a higher high. And on 5 minutes, there's a base opposite. Okay, there's a base opposite it. Hitting base, you're seeing it. So base. Okay, right. So here the base, it was a 3-minute base opposite the level. So you have this. So this area is my entry. So entry. Okay. Stop loss right below this level. Okay. Previous high, first target. Okay. And then next target is somewhere around here. All right. So that's where I took my trade. Now today, straight. All right. So today when I woke up, I saw a 4-hour engulfing. A very beautiful 4-hour engulfing here. Okay, this 4-hour engulfing, which I'm going to mark. So I've marked the 4-hour engulfing. So it was early in the morning. Now, the price came back onto it, I think on 15 minutes. I had seen 15-minute engulfing. See, this first engulfing. And my point is that the engulfing wasn't just formed, it was formed after touching the level. But I was looking at this level for transformation because 4-hour engulfing, 1 hour open close or gap, right? 30 minutes, we have this candle here. So this is the entry zone. There's that entry zone. Okay, this is the place. But 15 minutes had created an engulfing after touching the 4-hour engulfing. So I took a first sell here. Took a first sell here. Take profit right at this level. This level. Because it was a good point of interest. So right around this level was my take profit. And price came back. Now, so if you see on my chart, my first Telegram, okay. So if you see it, you understand that yes, first you see this is my entry on a 15-minute engulfing. And my limit orders were here because there was a probability that okay, price may not come to my first take profit. This is my first take profit. Okay, we not come to my first take profit and just go back inside there because that is actually the level I wanted to trade. But because there's confirmation for the trade, that's why I took it. All right, so price came back into that zone and dropped. Transformation is so powerful, especially when you know why that transformation was formed. Okay, so here it was formed because price was trading inside a higher time frame engulfing. All right, so that is it. All right, now look here on 1 hour at the top here. It's not a trade that I took. Okay, I didn't take this trade, but this is an engulfing. It's a 1 hour engulfing. Okay. All right. So this 1 hour engulfing, 30 minutes, open close or gap. Okay. 50 minutes. 50 minutes. We still didn't have a double marrow, but we had a gap. So we are looking at this gap and this gap. Okay. And then 5 minutes, the gap there base was in between. Okay, so the base was in between. So it will be this base is the entry. Okay, so this was the entry. This is supposed to be the entry, right? You see the way price reacted to it and it dropped. But it's not the trade that I took. Okay, I took this sell and this sell. Never took the buys, and that was okay for me. Okay, so this trade is just 1, 2, 5. Okay, almost 6. All right, this one from here, targeting slightly around this high. Okay, and targeting this low first. Okay, so this is also 1 to 7. All right, so within few hours, this is enough for the day. Or at least it's enough. And it's all about selecting quality trade, good ones, and then not trade everything. Yes, I could be trading everything, but remember, when I'm trading everything too, it means that I'm also going to lose some, right? Yes, so this is the trade that I took. All right, thank you.